the ratio of the interior angle of 2, the exterior angle of a regular polygon is given as 5:2. We have to find the number of sides of the polygon. We can actually take two approaches or two methods to arrive at this answer. What we need to remember is the formula for the interior angle of a polygon and that of the exterior angle. So if we pick the first method, I know that interior angle is to exterior angle, right? This is the concept given in the question. So what is the formula for the interior, which is n minus 2 times 180 degrees divided by n. So this is to the exterior angle is also given by 360 degree divided by n. So this ratio is proportional to 5:2. So this is the ratio that is proportional to this. So it means that the interior angle is speaking what? 5, whilst exterior angle is speaking what? 2. But remember that ratio is also a fraction, meaning this divided by this. So it can also be n minus 2 times 180 divided by n, or divided by 360 divided by n. This will be equals to 5 divided by 2, picking from ratio to fraction. Remember, if you are dividing two fractions, we change the division to multiplication. So n minus 2 times 180 divided by n multiplied by, we reciprocate the second fraction. So n on top, then 360 degrees down, still equals to 5 on 2. So this is numerator multiplied together, denominators multiplied together. So hence we can cancel using the n and the numerator here. We'll cancel this n. I'll be having 180 divided by this. So it means 180 can also be cancelled by this to give us only 2. So this bracket times 1 will give us n minus 2, then 1 times 2 will give you 2, equals to 5 on 2. So here there are so many approaches we can pick from here. Say this is the ratio. The numerators are the same. Whatever is here should be the same as this, since we are having denominators being the same. So I can only equate the numerators. Since it's a ratio, the top is equal to the top, the down is equal to the down. Since the downs are the same, the top will be the same. Or you find the LCM and multiply through. If you multiply by the LCM, the 2 will cancel, remaining only the n minus 2 equals to what? 5. So here we transpose. So n will be equals to 5 plus 2, which is 7. Therefore, the polygon has what? 7 sides. So this is one approach we can pick based on the formula of both the interior and the exterior angle. Now the other method, which will be the second method. So here what we do is that we let the exterior angle to be equals to a variable. So if the exterior angle from the ratio is corresponding to 2, y is corresponding to 2, therefore the 5 will be bigger than the 2. Let's pick it this way. If 2 is corresponding to y, then we are now going to pick 5. 5 is going to be what? Corresponding to what? More than the value that we get for y. This is 2 corresponding to this. Then the 5 will also correspond to. So if more, let's divide, or we pick a ratio of that, and that will give us 5 on 2 times what? Y. Don't forget, if you create a proportion of that, this is to this, equals to 5 is to what you are looking for. The proportion will give you 5 divided by 2, then multiply by what? Y. So we know our exterior angle, we know the interior angle, because the 5 is corresponding to interior and 2 correspond to what? The exterior. Remember, if you add exterior plus 8 corresponding interior, you'll be getting what? 180 degrees. So I will have the y plus 5 on 2y. If I add, I should be having 180. The properties of exterior plus 8 corresponding interior will give you 180. Pardon me for my voice, I have a little cold. So we are having fraction. What do? We multiply through by the LCM, which is 2. So 2 times this will give you 2y. 2 times this will be left with only 5y equals to 2 times 180. That will be what? 360. So here I'll be having 2y plus 5y. That will give me 7y equals to 360 degrees. So what do we do here? We can find y directly from here. So from here, I'll be having 7y divided by 7 equals to 360 degree divided by 7. So y will now be equals to 360 divided by 7. Now this y we are having is referring to what? The exterior angle. Remember the formula we had in the beginning, which was exterior angle equals to 360 divided by n, which n is a number of sides, which we are looking for. So it means this exterior angle, which we are having as y, will now be 360 degrees divided by what? 7 equals to 360 degrees divided by n. Here, the numerators are the same, your denominators are the same. So you can see 360, 360. That implies that n will be equals to what? 7. Do you get it? So therefore, the polygon has what? 7 sides. I guess the second method is also okay by you. If it is true, you can share with somebody. Indulge them to subscribe to the channel if they have not. Alright, see you in the next episode as we take more examples.